In the competitive world of metal furniture production, precision and efficiency are key. Designed to revolutionize your manufacturing process. Let us introduce our latest innovation, ST-TP120 series high-speed laser tube cutting machine. Featuring a side-hung bed design, this cutting-edge machine offers unparalleled speed and accuracy. Its automatic loading system is 30 seconds, faster than traditional laser tube cutting machines, ensuring seamless production flow. Equipped with a square pneumatic chuck, this machine can effortlessly cut round tubes and square tubes, with diameters ranging from 10 mm to 120 mm. When it comes to speed, our laser tube cutting machine outshines the competition. Processing identical materials, it operates 30% faster than standard laser tube cutting machines, saving you valuable time and resources. But that's not all. With a movable front chuck feature, this machine ensures minimal waste. With a minimum remaining length of 15 for each raw material, efficiency and precision go hand in hand with every operation. Precision, speed, and efficiency redefine your manufacturing standards with our laser tube cutting machine. Contact us to learn more and revolutionize your production process.